So we were all downstairs and there was a power cut. Chris, my partner, said the fuse board is on fire, and he said we're going to have to get out and leave it. There was quite a lot of black smoke coming out. The fire brigade were amazing, but they said to us, because you shut the doors and put the towel against the door frame, you saved your whole house. And yeah, that was something Charlie remembered from Safeside.
Safeside is our immersive prevention experience for children and young people across the West Midlands.
We have school groups and members of the community come in. We teach and educate fire, road, water and personal safety.
If you've ever visited, it's like a big film set. We've got a train, a bus, a canal, an ambulance, a street, a house. The children will be taken through and really talked about safety critical prevention messages around fire, road and water.
We do a fire and road workshop. Then they have a full tour of the village where they can go on our train, they can go in the house and do hazard spotting, they go on the bus, they go down our alleyway, they go in the shop and they get to go and do the shopping. And just to see the children's smiles on the face when they get involved in that activity makes our job worthwhile. It is a pleasure to do what I do.
We're incredibly proud that we've managed to meet Charlie and we've managed to hear the impact of our input. I think it's a fantastic example of the impact of the hard work that the Safeside team and the prevention department put in.
You can tell when a child is retaining that information, they'll take it on board, you'll see them nodding and agreeing. Especially in Charlie's case, he has retained that information and ultimately it's led to him saving his house and saving his family. It makes us immensely proud of what we do and proud of the children because they're retaining everything, they're taking everything in. Safeside, like I said, it isn't just a school trip. You see the children leave and you can see that information's retained. We're at the doors, waving the school off and they're going, I'm going to wear my seatbelt again. And there's the kids that are in the class going, I don't wear my seatbelt. And just to know that, it makes it worthwhile. It makes us so happy to hear it.
We're incredibly proud of Charlie, first and foremost, and we're incredibly proud of the team.
Yeah, I'm overwhelmed really. They've managed to be so resilient in such a difficult situation, and the fact that Charlie learnt that information from visiting Safeside is fantastic and couldn't be more grateful, and 100% suggest anyone should visit Safeside, and I'd like to go myself, to be honest.